Hello friends, this video on NEET Human Health and Diseases is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Let's learn about the different types of cancer. Now broadly there are three types, that is carcinoma, sarcoma and leukemia. So carcinoma basically arise from the epithelial cells. Now the types of cancer are basically based on the cells from where the cancerous cells originate. So cancer is nothing but unlimited growth of cells. Like when cells keep growing continuously, that is called as cancerous growth. What kind of cancer it is depends on the cells from which areas are kind of growing or increasing in number. So carcinoma is about the cells which arise from the epithelial cells. So any growth which is seen in the epithelial cells or the epithelial tissues, that falls under the category of carcinoma. And carcinoma is the most common type of cancer in human beings. So some examples of carcinoma are breast cancer, lung cancer, stomach cancer, brain cancer, skin cancer, cervical cancer. These are all examples of carcinoma. In fact, about 80% of the tumors are carcinomas. So carcinoma is more common when compared to sarcoma or leukemia. So that's carcinoma. The next is sarcoma, which arises from the connective and muscular tissue. So when you see this cancerous growth, uncontrolled growth of cells is seen in the connective or muscular tissue, maybe in the cartilage or muscles or bones or tendons or ligaments. So that they all fall under the category of sarcoma. Now all these muscle tissue or the connective tissue, they are derived from the mesoderm, that is the middle layer. Right? And it has been observed that sarcomas are quite rare in human beings. In fact, only 1% of the tumors are sarcomas. Finally, the third category, that is leukemia, which is also known as the blood cancer. Leukemia is also called blood cancer. And what happens in leukemia? Here there is an abnormal increase in the WBC's count due to increased formation of WBC in bone marrow. When too many WBCs are formed, so what happens, the entire balance of the count of WBCs and RBCs are spoiled, and that is when that condition is known as blood cancer or leukemia. Now under carcinoma also we have many different types of cancer. Now not exactly types, but different names are given for cancer of different parts. For example, melanoma is cancer of melanocytes. So what are melanocytes? Melanocytes are a type of skin cells. So cancer of melanoma is melanocytes. But this falls under the category of carcinoma. That's because the skin cells are also part of the epithelium. Right, so this is also a part of carcinoma. Adenocarcinoma, so this is the cancer of glands. So adeno word is derived for the glands. So glands again, glands are like the outer layer, so it's part of the epithelium. Myoma is cancer of the muscle tissue. So the tissue of the muscles, that is given a separate name, which is myoma. Now let's move on to the types of sarcoma, that is osteoma, lipoma and lymphoma. Osteoma, osteo word is used for bones. So cancer of bones is osteoma. Lipoma is derived from the words lipids. Lipids is related to fats. Fats is adipose tissue. So cancer of adipose tissue is lipoma. Lymphoma is derived from the word lymph. So cancer of lymphoid tissue, that is lymphoma. So it's good to know these terminologies, because you might get a question where it asks osteoma is a cancer of which part of the body. So you should know this. So osteo means bones, lipo is derived from lipids, that is adipose tissue, lymphoma derived from lymph, so cancer of lymph tissue, lymphoid tissues. So in this, thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.